Looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road and capture clear footage while driving? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. From 4K video and 3-channel recording to GPS, Wi-Fi, night vision, and parking monitoring, these dash cams offer some impressive features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Max 4K 3-channel dash cam. This is a 3-channel dash cam that records the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle. You get 4K front recording, 2.5K rear recording, and 1080p interior recording. It uses dual StarVis 2 sensors for detailed footage and improved low-light performance. The interior camera also features IR night vision, which is useful for recording inside your vehicle at night. Other features include built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and a 64GB memory card is included. Pros: 4K front video, 3-channel coverage, StarVis 2 sensors, IR night vision, Wi-Fi and GPS, and a 64GB card included. Overall, the AZDOME M550 Max is an excellent all-around choice for drivers who want high-quality video and comprehensive front, rear, and interior coverage. Number 2. BOTSLAB G980H 4K 3-channel dashcam. This 4K 3-channel dashcam provides front, rear, and interior recording for 360-degree coverage. It features a 3.18-inch touchscreen, making it easy to view footage and adjust settings. You also get a free 128GB card, 24/7 parking mode, Sentry and time-lapse features, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and night vision. Pros: 4K recording, 360-degree coverage, touchscreen, 128GB card, voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, and advanced parking features. The BOTSLAB G980H is a great option if you want a feature-packed dash cam with extensive coverage and plenty of smart features. Number 3. 70mm T800 4K 3-channel dash cam. This premium 3-channel dash cam records the front and rear in 4K, along with 1080p interior video. It uses the Sony StarVis 2 IMX678 sensor and features HDR night vision for improved image quality in challenging lighting conditions. You also get Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE, ADAS, and 24-hour parking mode. The camera supports up to a 512GB memory card, giving you plenty of storage for long-term recording. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, StarVis 2 IMX678 sensor, HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE, and 24-hour parking mode. If you're looking for a premium dashcam with advanced technology and high-quality video, the 70mm T800 is definitely one to consider. Number 4. 70mm T800E 4K 3-channel dashcam. This dashcam offers 3-channel recording for the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle. It features 4K video, GPS, Wi-Fi 6, voice control, parking monitoring, night vision, and loop recording. A 64GB SD card is also included, so you can start recording right away. Pros: 4K video, 3-channel coverage, GPS, Wi-Fi 6, voice control, night vision, parking monitoring, and a 64GB card included. The 70mm T800E is a well-rounded choice for anyone looking for a reliable 3-channel dashcam with useful smart features and convenient wireless connectivity. Finally, number 5. Icesky S03 4K 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. This is a 4-channel 360-degree dashcam designed to provide coverage around your vehicle, including front, rear, left, and right views. It records in 4K and includes GPS, a 128GB SD card, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 for fast footage downloads. The camera also features a G sensor, 8 IR lights, and parking mode. Pros: 4K recording, 4-channel 360-degree coverage, GPS, 128GB card, Wi-Fi 6, G sensor, IR lights, and parking mode. The Icesky S03 is a great option for drivers who want maximum coverage around their vehicle. Its 4-channel design makes it particularly interesting for those who want more than traditional front and rear recording. So, those were the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. The AZDOME M550 Max is a great all-around option with 4K video and 3-channel coverage. The BOTSLAB G980H is ideal for users who want a feature-packed dash cam with a touchscreen and advanced parking features. The 70mm T800 stands out as a premium choice with high-resolution front and rear recording, StarVis 2 technology, Wi-Fi 6, and 4G LTE. The 70mm T800E offers a well-balanced combination of 4K recording, 3-channel coverage, and smart features. And finally, the Icesky S03 is worth considering if maximum 360-degree coverage is your priority. Before buying, be sure to check the latest price, customer reviews, and product specifications on Amazon, as prices and availability can change. Thanks for watching.